So Payday 2 has recently been released by Epic Games as one of their free games on their free collections. So I'm going to show you how to fix it if you're having issues launching Payday 2. So as you can see on my desktop here, we have Epic Games Launcher and we have Payday 2. So what you need to do is to right click on Epic Games Launcher, or if it is not on your desktop, you could go into the start menu and start searching for Epic Games Launcher. You could right click, open file location. So once you're in file location, you could right click again, open file location. So this would take you to the main files location. So here we located Epic Games Launcher, the application. So this is if you are not seeing it on your desktop. So let me not confuse you. If you're seeing it on your desktop, you will simply right click, select properties. Now from properties, you need to locate compatibility and run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 or 7. So let it set it to Windows 8 and also run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK. Now we need to do the same thing for the Payday 2 application. So let's go ahead and locate the Payday 2 application. Now you need to click on your file explorer, click on your local disk. You need to locate program files because program x86 is where the Epic Games is installed, but Payday is actually installed in program files. Scroll down, locate Epic Games, and here we have the Payday 2 folder. So let's click on that folder. We need to locate Payday 2 Win32 release. Now, once you've located this file, you need to right click, properties. Now, from properties, we need to do the same as well. So select compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, and run as an administrator, apply and OK. Now let's go ahead and launch Epic Games, and then we'll launch Payday 2 to see if this works. Now my game was already working before, so it should work. If it's not working, we'll simply need to revert the changes that we've made. So let's go ahead and click on library and see what happens. And we have Payday 2 here. Let's simply launch. All right, so there we have it. Payday 2 has been launched. So you can go ahead and try these settings. If they work for you, just let me know in the comments so others can try them out as well. And all of my settings have been created, and that's basically it. How to fix Payday 2 if it is not launching or if you are stuck on the press any key to enter option. So thank you for watching. Hacker 007 out.